What's up, guys? Josh here from RXR, and I made a little homemade Zippo thing. I looked it up. I didn't have a casing, so I used an old flashlight, an old little Nebo flashlight, and little tactical style. And what I did was stuff cotton balls in it. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, stuff cotton balls in it, and then like I put like three in this little tube here. Put a little lighter fluid in there. And then took one, wrapped a shoestring, cut off piece of shoestring around it, and then stuck it through and then fed the shoestring up to this little hole that the button used to go at, and then poured a little bit more lighter fluid and stuff and let it soak up. Well, here's my test. I'm going to make a cover for that. I had tinfoil on it, but it works without it, so. And it's not lighting. I mean, you can see it kind of catching a little bit, but hold on. Oh, shit. There it goes. See? And to put it out, you just push your hand on it or whatever. But this thing's gonna blow up on me. See, like I didn't put a lot in there because I didn't plan on making a video, but thought, oh, why not? So see it and then put it out like that. Oh shit, the flame's still going inside. Oh no, that can't be very good. The flame's still going in there. Yeah, you can still kind of see the flame. Yeah, you can see it in there a little bit, and then it jumps out here. That's actually really awesome. Probably cover up this end, it'd work better. Huh. Went out, but yeah, I just got bored, so I had to make a little video. Sit here and play with it for a couple minutes. Yeah, there it goes. Turn the light off here. Maybe you'll be able to see everything better, but ow, shitty. Yeah, that hurt a little bit. The flame. What's this? Goes out. Oh no. Oh no. It's still burning in there. So you can see it there, kind of. Yeah, but that's about it, guys. My next video will probably, since it's so close to Christmas, be what I got for Christmas. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Subscribe. What's up, guys? After I just made that video like 2 seconds ago, I was playing with my Zippo and my little homemade one, and I pulled the wick up. And check this out. That's one big flame. You could light a cigarette with that, and it's pretty cool. I mean, here's the wick itself. This piece of shoestring. See. So I just thought I'd show you that to you guys. Probably shouldn't light it with my hand down there, but hold on. Probably get some. Oh, that's out there. I'm trying to light some of this on fire. Hold on for a second. Uh, so, oh shit. But not my damn front thing. I got some on my hands. This might work out here. So that was my main objective, is to be able to get that flame to come out of that hole without using a wick. It just worked there for a second. Yeah. Hold on. Ugh. For Christmas, I'm thinking about getting a M1911 Brunei 96, I believe, blank firing weapon, blank firing model. Not because I'm young, not because my parents don't like me having a gun, because I have like 3 of them, but just because I think it'd be cool to have, you know. So here's one of cotton balls. Probably light it on fire. Oh yeah, I probably shouldn't do that right here. It's actually pretty cool. It's not burning. Ouch! Yeah, that burns. This thing is still soaked like crazy with lighter fluid. But tell me what you think, guys, about my blank gun. Let me know. I'm gonna do an unboxing on it when I get it. Peace.